Welcome to my class, student. It's class 8 English. It so happened this is chapter 2. Name of the chapter is Children at Work, and this is session 5. In this session we will come to know about the question answers of this chapter. As you know the story, this is the story of two children, Velu and Jaya. They were rag pickers. Jaya was a rag picker. How she said Velu कि if you don't do work then you won't get money to buy food. So in city life, what are the harsh realities of city life? That is shown in the story. And what is the difference between the village and the city life? That is also shown in the story. And the condition of the rag pickers, that you will come to know through this story. So now we will do the question answer. This is the comprehension check part 1. When he stood on the platform, but he felt as if he was still on a moving train. Why? When he stood on the platform, but felt as if he was still on a moving train because his legs were still oblique and shaky after the journey to Chennai. Usually, the effect of a moving train stays for some time after the end of the journey. It happens to all of us. If you feel, you will understand. If you go down from a moving train, still you would feel like your legs are obliques, moving, shaking. So it happens. So the same thing happened to Velu also. And this is the answer to the question. Now, what made him feel miserable? Velu felt miserable and exhausted because he had run away from his village 2 days ago and had not eaten anything except some peanuts and a piece of jaggery for the last 2 days. This is the reason of her exhaustion and her miserable condition. So, we have written the same in the answer. Now, this question 3 has 2 parts. First is, Velu travelled without a ticket. Why? Velu travelled without a ticket because he had no money to buy a ticket, because he has left his home, right? So he didn't have money. What did he have? He had only shirt, a towel and a comb. So he didn't have money, so he didn't buy ticket. How did he escape the ticket collector's attention? He escaped the ticket collector's attention because luckily the ticket collector did not come to the unreserved compartment. Why is it an unreserved compartment? Because Velu would not be allowed to enter the reserved compartment. In the unreserved compartment, people can go there and sit anywhere they get space to sit. So Velu also found a space in an unreserved compartment, and there the ticket collector didn't go, and so he was not caught because of without ticket. Why had Velu run away from home? Velu had run away from home because his father used to beat him every day. His father would also spend the money earned by Velu and his sisters on drinking. So this was the reason why Velu had escaped home or run away from home. Why did he decide to follow the strange girl? He decided to follow the strange girl because he did not know where to go and what to do. So this is the reason why did he decide to follow the strange girl? Because he was totally stranger to the city. He was not aware of the city's life. He was very much amazed and shocked to see so many people, so many vehicles. So this is the reason why he wanted to follow the girl. Now, this is comprehension check part 2, page number 13. Can Velu read Tamil and English? How do you know? Velu can only read Tamil. Velu can read only Tamil but not English. He failed to read the signboards in English. However, he can read front, Velu read the Tamil sign Central Jail. In this way we came to know that he could read Tamil, right? If you are not careful, you will soon be counting bars there, the girl said. Again, there are two bars. What is she referring to? She is referring to the Central Jail. See, if the question is in present tense, your answer must be in the present tense. What does she mean when she says, if you are not careful? She says something a little later which means the same. Find that sentence. When she said, if you are not careful to Velu, she meant that he should not get caught. All he had to do to stay away from jail, right, was to not to do something stupid and get caught by policemen. Not to do something stupid because he stood just in the middle of the road and the girl knew the children who was just left their home, who have run away from home, if they come to the city, what happened to them? They will soon be engaged with illegal activities. So the girl was warning Velu in advance. Where did the girl lead Velu to? The girl led Velu to the back of a wedding hall. Not at the front, but the back of the wedding hall. What did they get to eat? Velu got a banana and a vada, while the girl got only one banana to eat. Right? What type of banana was that? It was a very used leftover. Right? Banana and vada. What work did she do? Think of a one word. Rag picking. This was the one word answer. She was a rag picker. So her work was rag picking. So in this thing you are seeing these are the questions and these are the answers to the questions, and you are seeing the entire comprehension check in this way. The first part, all the answers are related to the first part. So whatever has happened to the first part, you are getting the questions related to that. So what have you learned? We have learned that the questions related to the first part you can answer only when you thoroughly read the portion, and the answers are very much like the question, like the chapter, what is written in the chapter. So it's a direct answers. You don't have to think and write of your own. You do one thing, learn the answers, practice it, and then when the exam will come, you write it nicely and correctly. In the next class, I will teach you some more questions answers. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye. Thank you.